Okay. Okay. So, let's move this a bit. So that's to his place. So we're gonna go turn this in. All the way at the Firestone Bounty Board. Do we really want to see that little bastard? Well, we did kill those two bastard skags. The two bastard skags that were harder to kill than that big-ass bastard, in my opinion. I swear, man. I swear. How are these guys still alive, in all honesty? Because I don't understand time. Like, time literally starts... For this universe, time literally started, like... I don't know, a few hours ago whenever I got off that bus. Well, a few hours of gameplay ago whenever I got off the bus. There's new bounties available. No, there isn't. You fucking idiot. I swear. I swear. He just talks to talk, man. I can make fire now. Ooh. Fire. Ooh. Fire. Hi. You like my pink whip? Shazam. Shazam. I swear, whenever they frickin' made Shazam, there was probably some dude just looking at a picture of Superman and going, Shazam. 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 Let's make a fucking character like Superman, but call him Shazam. Shazam. Why is there one just out here randomly? The amount of sense being made. It's astonishing.
Everything you've faced up until now has been simple. You're about to face a real challenge in Sledge. Do not underestimate him.
Bitch, please. No. The headstone mine. Do you think they make headstones? Sweet. Discovered the headstone mine. Wonder what I'll discover next. The fucked up graveyard? Are they new ones? No, they're not new ones. Trats. I got $19,000. What is up, my bandit friends? I missed, like, so many of those shots, man. Fuck off, Dropbox. I would say no one likes you, but a lot of people like you. I don't like you, though. The Who puppet? You know, this gun's actually quite good. Fast reload. Solid scope. Die. There we go. Yeah, it may be good, but it ain't good enough against a fucking shotgun. What is up? Tastes like chicken. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out. The shotgun is better than mine. It is better than mine. Just look at that. Look at this thing. Let's try it out. Okay. I like it. The fucking reload is garbage, but... What is that? Uh-oh. 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 What's up, bitch? What is up? Where you at? I'm at the barrel of your gun, bitch. My gun now. You taking cover, little boy? Are you guys gonna come up the ramp, or are you guys just gonna hide them? When you turn their own weapon against them. They're literally just hiding. This is boring. This is boring. I decided not to use the stinky cheese anymore. Just kidding, I'm still using stinky cheese, but it's not a big stinky cheese that's stuck in one place. You're a badass, aren't you? You took like 6 shots. Most people can't even take 2. What? You don't like fire, do you? Hey. Where are you running to? Yeah, the fucking reload, though, is garbage, man. Compared to this thing's a monster. 1 more. 2 more. 3 more. Okay, we're done. We're done. Finally. Nice, I made the jump. Yeah, we gotta go all the way around though, because you know, this is a video game. It's not like we can like go over here where there's dudes, kill them. And like they'll have the bridge down, or you know, we can like climb up to the bridge and like make sense, you know? Cause I say if I would like see this, I would literally run back, find some rope or some shit to climb up there, so that way I don't have to fucking fight like 50 guys going this way, wasting ammo that I would probably need to fight Sledge, right? But this is a video game. There's gonna be a vending machine before the fight against Sledge, so you have ammo to fight Sledge. Video game logic. It's great. It's beautiful. It's great, beautiful, covered in blueberry pie filling. And we all go... Just like him. He went... He didn't, though. He made me waste 2 shells. Debatable. If you were really good, it would have only taken 1 shot. Like this. Like that. Can you stop? Excuse me. Missed 2, but did a crit on the 3rd. Shazam. It must suck to be Shazam. To fucking say it once, you become some buff guy, defeat a villain, but you can't use the catchphrase Shazam because you'll turn back into a fucking kid. Bullshit. It's goddamn bullshit. They should have had it where you had to say "fuck off, Archie." You would have had to say where you had to say it 3 times and be like Shazam, Shazam, Shazam. Bam, you're back to the person. Cause I swear, like, it would be kind of hard to like beat a villain, or beat a villain and then not have the urge to say Shazam. Oh god, there's 2 of them. He's a badass. Oh no. Grenades. Heal me. You're dead, Jim. Wow. Get taken out by melee attack? Jeez, what a weak sauce, man. You guys fuck off, I'm looting. Didn't you hear me? I'm looting. Hey. I'm looting. There's literally one of me. Finally. Okay. He didn't drop anything, but we're gonna run on the train tracks. They're not train tracks, you dumbass. They're minecart tracks. There's a difference. I'm dumb. After I kill your boss. Can't touch this. You shot me. You shot me too many times. Too many times that I cannot sing this song. I'm gonna shut up now. Awkward silence engaged. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at this? I was right, Marcus. I was right. I was right about it all. Do you see? I knew you were here. Right here. Sell me shit. I'm level 19 by selling stuff. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Okay. I'm not a berserker, but that is a class mod. Okay. Oh, that. Let's see if that. Okay. Good, it did. It did. No, it did not. My recording equipment's garbage, man. Okay, what do I got? I'm gonna keep the shotgun. We'll do this. We're gonna do the old 1-2 punch with this fucker. Let's do this. Yeah. Let's rinse him.
This one is a brute, and he has a powerful shield you will need to whittle down before you can hurt him. Don't let him touch you.
Well, stranger danger after all. Enter or. Either or. I can't read, guys. I'm gonna go with or. What do I win?
Now you die, bounty hunter.
I'm not a bounty hunter. I am a vault hunter. Look at this guy, man. P.S. You got no shit. He's gonna touch me. Did you say whittle down? It's gone. He has a fucking powerful shotgun, though, and I want it. I want your shotgun. I want your shotgun. Give me your shotgun. Grenade time. Grenade time. Grenade time. Okay, where is he? How is he so beefy? And why isn't he not running after me? He's running after me, isn't he? He murdered me. Your friend's dead! He's dead. Yes! My luck. Look at this puppy. What? 2 shells. But it does that. I love stuff. I will take that. Take all that. Drugs. What is this? Iridian artifact.
I bet you would like to know what that is.
We can go now?
The vault is real. What you are holding is the key that opens it.
Oh, there's no stairs. It's literally just an edge that you jump off. But there's fall damage. Stuck the landing. What is up? What is up, my dudes? I stuck the landing. I stuck the landing. You're still talking. Blah, blah, blah. Talking. Ooh, I have an idea. Hey. No more talking. Ha ha!